Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the watch is charged and clean. A charged metal watch prevents interruptions and protects the battery. Once done, set the time zone and date. Use the crown or digital menu depending on your model, because accurate timekeeping matters for notifications. Fit the metal band so there's a 1/2 finger gap at the wrist. Make sure to remove or add links with the proper tool. These first steps get you wearing the watch comfortably and correctly from minute 1. Next, pair the watch to your phone and grant notification access so messages and calls arrive on your wrist. This avoids missed alerts. Once paired, customize the watch face and widgets to surface the functions you use most, like steps or heart rate, because tailored displays save time. Make sure sensors are enabled and calibrated for accurate tracking. Practice the basic gestures, swipes, taps, crown rotations, and set one shortcut for quick access. These motions make daily control smooth. Finish by confirming the water resistance rating and locking the crown or backplate before any wet activity. This prevents water damage. Maintain the metal band by wiping daily and doing a gentle brush with mild soap weekly to avoid grime buildup and wear. If you encounter glitches, frozen screen, missed alerts, restart the watch, then unpair and reset as a last resort. Make sure you back up settings beforehand. If problems continue, check firmware updates and contact support for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.